I'm in the car and it's hot outside and AC is on. But I wanted to vlog today because today I'm going to go to the waterfalls and I'm just going to have a good time. And my friend's supposed to pick up in Greenville, so I'm just going to have a good time and have a nice time and everything cute and everything nice, right? Period. So I'm just waiting. I've been waiting for about 5 minutes now. He say you're gonna buy something. He say you're gonna buy something, and hey, that person want to bounce us. He say you're gonna buy something, so we're waiting for him to come back. So probably I might record a little bit more once we're on the way and them things so. Alright y'all, so we're here and the sun. So we were to go to the next location. It's a Sulphur spring. Okay.